Hello little scientist, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. Remember how we used to play with the water beads? How they used to double up in size when soaked in water. But have you ever tried to pass the light through it? No? So let's perform this fun activity and find out what happens. From your IntelliSmart box, take out Refraction of Light Activity Kit and Reflection of Light Activity Kit. From the kit, take out water beads and Buddha figurine and a disposable glass from the box. You will need a bowl and water from your home. Pour the water into the bowl. Now pour all of the water beads into this water like this. Leave these water beads in the water for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you will see them absorbing water and growing into transparent little balls. Now place the little Buddha figurine at the bottom of the disposable glass. Now gently pour the grown water beads into this glass. The beads will cover the little Buddha figurine. Observe that it's hard to figure out what's hidden in these beads. Now pour water into this glass and fill it up to the rim. Observe the magic happening. The little Buddha figurine becomes visible as you fill the glass with water. The water beads become completely invisible, and that's why you see the Buddha figurine. Isn't this magic of science awesome? We see anything when light rays coming from it enter our eyes. In this activity, when we surrounded the little Buddha figurine with water beads, the light coming from it went in different directions and hence did not reach our eyes. Due to this, it was not visible to us. After pouring the water in the glass, the water filled the air spaces between the water beads. And since the water has a refractive index equal to the water beads, light did not bend and travelled in straight lines and therefore reached our eyes. Due to this, the little Buddha figurine became visible to us. When the light goes from one medium to another, it bends from its path. However, if the refractive index of two media is equal, it does not bend and we are able to see the objects clearly. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.